Today is about Devi Chaudhurani by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. It's one of the most prominent figures in Bengali literature and a pioneer of the Indian nationalist literacy movement. It tells the story of Profullo, a young woman who, after being disowned by her in-laws, undergoes a dramatic transformation. Initially a helpless girl, she eventually becomes a powerful and revered figure, Devi Chaudhurani, the leader of a group of bandits and rebels who fight against the British colonial forces. Her mentor is Bhavani Pathak, a Robin Hood-like figure who trains her in warfare, strategy and leadership. Under his guidance, Profullo becomes a symbol of resistance and justice, using her power to help the poor and challenge British authority. It considered one of the first Indian novels to feature a female protagonist in a revolutionary role.